I extend a warm welcome to all of you to another video of First Time Business Clinic. In this video, I wish to explain to you the importance of grand inauguration of your business. Grand inauguration. So when you wish to start your business, remember all the points. Once you move down to this particular stage within a span of a week or a month, remember to have a grand inauguration to start your business. I am Anthony Matthew for FRBZ, First Time Business Clinic, trusted by wise people, tested by time changes but not. Dear recap, remember the first introduction we have covered what? Go to the description, go to the first video class. The second one video we have covered identify the right business to start with. In the third one we have covered way to start your business. And in the fourth we have covered types of agreements, documents that you should do to start your business. Fifth video session we have covered basically types of companies, identity materials to do business. And in sixth, registration and officials required to start your business. So basically registration documentation, and there are certain officials which you require like an auditor, lawyer, company secretary, etc. Now when we come to the seventh class, grand inauguration, so we identified the business, you know what business to start with, you check with your ability and talents, everything is over. Now you are in a top excitement mode, you have established your office, now you are planning to start. Guys, you remember, plan a good nice inauguration. Purpose of grand inauguration basically to introduce to the local community, to the people, what business that you are starting. Now before grand inauguration, advertise the event. Should provide good entertainment and food. So basically maybe have a cultural activity on the inauguration day. And this grand inauguration is basically a marketing strategy, and that should have proper goals. Contact potential customers and suppliers well before the inauguration. Now inauguration time, remember, display eye-catching feather flag. Send out postcards to the community people. Display grand opening flyers everywhere. And many advertisement on social media. Make custom paper cups or any other items like to identify your business. And call the media, get good media coverage, isn't it? So we are travel all through this video, we have come to the inauguration stage. So I'm Anthony Matthew signing off. Thank you very much, wish you all the best.